Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about cost benefit analysis. So first of all, cost benefit analysis. Cost benefit analysis is a systematic approach. Cost benefit analysis is a systematic approach to estimating strength and weakness of alternatives. Strengths and weakness of alternatives. It is used to determine the options. It is used to determine the options that provide best approach to achieve benefits while preserving the savings is called as cost benefit analysis. So cost benefit analysis is nothing but it is a process of systematic approach to estimating strength and weakness of alternatives. This cost benefit analysis is used to determine the options that provide best approach to achieve benefits while preserving the savings is called as cost benefit analysis. So the cost benefit analysis is also defined as this cost benefit analysis also defined as a systematic process of calculating and comparing the benefit and costs in a decision policy is called as cost benefit analysis. So cost benefit analysis also defined as a systematic process to calculating and comparing the benefits and cost of a decision policy is called as cost benefit analysis. So this cost benefit analysis, so the cost and benefits, so that specified within the decision policy. So here we are getting benefit of the cost within the company. So in this cost benefit analysis, so that is also different or distinct to the this cost benefit analysis is distinct to the cost effective analysis. So in this cost benefit analysis, benefit and costs are expressed in monetary terms. So in this cost benefit analysis, the benefits and costs are expressed in a monetary terms and are adjusted the time value for money so that the flow of benefits and the flow of projects costs are expressed in a common basis. So in this cost benefit analysis, benefits and costs are expressed in monetary terms and are adjusted for the time value of money. So that the flow of benefits COF. Project costs are expressed in a common basis. So this cost benefit analysis is similar and but some slightly different to this cost effective analysis and cost utility analysis and risk based analysis and impact analysis and physical impact analysis. So this cost benefit analysis but some slightly different with the cost effective analysis, cost utility analysis, risk based analysis, risk based system analysis, and also impact analysis and physical impact analysis. This is some slightly different with that cost benefit analysis system. So this cost benefit analysis evaluation describes the expected cost, expected benefits, and also expected savings are done within this cost benefit analysis evaluation. So this cost benefit analysis system is a cost effectiveness of the system. So this cost benefit analysis system, so to describe the benefit and cost that describes in three different things. So these are the first one, second one, and third one. So first one is initial development cost. Second one, first one is initial development cost. Second one is capital cost. Third one is annual operating cost. So now coming to the first one, initial development cost. So initial development cost is nothing but, so this is the cost of developing an information system is called as initial development cost. So initial development cost is nothing but the cost of developing an information system. Is called as initial development cost. So in this initial development cost that include the feasibility study cost and planning cost, project planning cost and feasibility study cost and implementing and operating cost. So these are the included within the initial development cost. So initial development cost, the cost of developing an information system. So to perform the specific operations within that system that include project planning cost and feasibility study cost and implementing cost and operating cost is called as initial development cost. So now coming to the second one, capital cost. So capital cost is nothing but it is a one time cost. So one time cost is nothing but, so while we are developing the system or information system, so that required only once to providing facilities and equipments and hardware, so that is used to operating the system. So like for example furniture and some facilities and also hardware computer to operating the system is called as capital cost. So in this one-time cost is just we are purchasing all the material and facilities and hardware only once, and within this capital cost. So with this one-time cost is nothing but facilities and equipments and hardware. So these are hardware. Only we will purchase this material for this system once. So after purchasing this system to perform the specific operations is called as capital cost. And the third one is annual operating cost. So annual operating cost is nothing but, so these are the maintaining costs such as overheads on hardware and some equipments within the system. So maintaining cost. Maintaining cost. Like after purchasing this hardware and some equipments, if it having any problem, so to repair that hardware and equipment and to modify some facilities within the system, that it can be used by the annual operating cost. So in this annual operating cost, every year or every time we are some modifying and we are some repairing some equipment hardware within the system is called as annual operating cost. So just simply we need to remember cost benefit analysis. So what will happen within this cost benefit analysis? So this is a systematic approach to estimating the strength and weakness of alternatives. And coming to the second one, so the cost benefit analysis is used to determine the options. So these options that provide support or that provide best approach to achieve the benefits while preserving and savings. So this cost benefit analysis is also defined as a calculating and comparing the cost and benefits for a decision policy is called as cost benefit analysis. So this cost benefit analysis, that is slightly different with this cost effective analysis, cost utility analysis, risk based system analysis, impact analysis, physical impact analysis. So these are the cost based analysis that will be evaluating expected cost and expected benefits and expected savings are done within the cost benefit analysis. So for this, that represents or that describes three things. One is initial development cost and capital cost and annual operating cost. So these are measured with this initial development cost, capital cost and annual operating cost. So in this initial development cost, the cost developing an information system, so that include project planning cost, feasibility study cost and implementing cost and operating cost. And second one is capital cost. Capital cost is nothing but one-time cost. So one-time cost which is used to providing facilities and equipment and hardware for the operations onto the system. So and the third one is annual operating cost. Annual operating cost is nothing but, so every year we are maintaining and repairing and modifying some operations onto the capital cost is called as annual operating cost. And every year, so like building modification or some coloring and whatever it may be. So it will be repairing some softwares and implementing hardware and whatever it may be. Everything will be performed within the annual operating cost. So this is all about cost benefit analysis system.